Hello viewers, welcome back to Jamb series class. Today we are working on a calculation question which is mole to mass relationship. If you are new on this platform, do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. Click the like button, comment and share my videos. Today we are considering this question. Calculate the mass of sodium hydroxide produced by 2.3 gram of sodium. Consider the equation of reaction. 2 moles of sodium in this equation of reaction react with 2 moles of water to yield 2 moles of sodium hydroxide and 1 mole of hydrogen gas. Some of these questions, the equation of reaction may not be given, but in this case, the equation of reaction has been given. So from the equation of reaction, we are going to get the first line. Then from the second question, from the question we get the second line, then we cross multiply. So look at what I'm going to do here. 2 moles of sodium react with 2 moles of water. And the question is asking us that what is the mass of sodium hydroxide produced? So we are considering sodium hydroxide by 2.3 gram of sodium. So it means 2 moles of sodium produces 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Of sodium produce 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Now, the question is asking us to calculate the mass. So we need to change the mole to mass. And what's the relationship between mole and mass? 1 mole of any compound is its molar mass. That is, 1 mole of any compound contains the molar mass of that compound. How do we calculate molar mass? By adding all the atomic mass or mass number of each of the elements in the compound together. I'm going to do an example. I will do it for you now. Now, 2 moles of sodium, meaning that the atomic mass of sodium in the question is 23. Because we have 2 moles, we multiply it by 23, and everything is in gram. Yield 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, that is 2 into bracket. Sodium is 23 plus oxygen 16 plus hydrogen 1. So everything gives us 46 gram of sodium produces 23 plus 17. That is 40 multiplied by 2, 80 gram of sodium hydroxide. Take note, this first line of information was gotten from the equation of reaction. That is why the equation of reaction is very important. And the equation of reaction must be balanced before you can attempt the question. So the second line will be from the question. What mass of sodium hydroxide is produced by 2.3 gram of sodium? This side is for sodium. So I'm going to put 2.3 gram of sodium. We produce what mass of sodium hydroxide? So I'm using S for the unknown. Now cross multiply. We have 46 multiplied by X equals to 80 multiplied by 2.3. So dividing both sides by 46, X is going to yield 2.3 in 46. That is 20. So 80 divided by 20 will give us 4 moles or 4 gram, because the question is in gram and we have calculated everything in gram.